Welcome everybody, Average Model Guy here, bringing you part 2 of our AMT, what is it, LNT 8000 Ford Snowplow. As you can see, I got the wheels all put together. I got the engine done and painted. I went with a unique paint scheme. I really like this, so this is what we're going with. 29 pieces put this stinking thing together. But turned out really nice, lots of detail, so it'll look pretty sharp inside there. So that's what we got. You can see I got the frame all laid out and ready to put together, so when we get back we'll have it put together and maybe painted. If it goes together easy enough, I'll go ahead and throw it out and get paint on it, and yeah, I'll let you know when that's done. Alright, I am back and we've got the frame rail done and basically everything to get this thing rolling. The only difficult part I had was the pitman arm and the power steering, and then that right there. Putting this all together was kind of a pain, but I got it on there. Everything else went together pretty good. Everything lined up pretty decent. One thing in the instructions, you've got two parts right in here that this piece fits on right here. There's no instructions for it, but there's one on each side, but you need to stick those inside there before you put this cross member right here together or in there. Make sure you get those put in there. That was the only thing that I noticed that was amiss. Upside down so you can see a little better here. Got all this here. I still need to clip this little piece off. They just have that on there so it's easy for you to stick inside there. Made it a lot easier to do. But yeah, other than that, I'm going to go ahead and get some paint on it, get the wheels on it, and get the engine in there, and we'll probably call this good for this video. I'll be back once I have paint on it. Okay, here we go. We got the frame, wheels, and engine in there. I didn't glue the engine down yet, but this is what we got. Wheels, with the way the axles were a real pain in the butt. You had to puncture them through in order for it to line up just right. I had a heck of a time trying to do that, so I've got a little bit extra glue I've got to clean off on the inside of the wheels. Yeah, I just had a heck of a time doing it, but yep. So, yeah, this will do it for this episode. If you don't mind giving me a like, I'd appreciate it. If you want to finish watching this build, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next build.